Hi again. Okay, I'm gonna do this video. I'm gonna do another midpoint and segment like we did last video. This is another exercise uh, to reinforce the last problem we had about the midpoint. I just changed the numbers a little bit, and we are going to make details. Little details about the midpoint and A point and B point and the coordinates x and y of uh, A and B, and we go from there. Okay, um, we have segment AB has a midpoint M. Segment is just a line like this, a line, and this point A and point M and point B and point B. Okay, and the formula for the midpoint is what? X of 1 plus X of 2 divided by 2, comma, Y of 1 plus Y of 2 divided by 2 equal 1 comma negative 2. These are the coordinate of point M. Point M is the midpoint between A and B, and these are where the location of that point. The location of that point. We're gonna explain this in 1 minute. Okay, just bear with me. Okay, now what is x of 1 and x2 mean? Okay, like we said last time, x of 1 and x of 2 is the coordinate x of that point, the coordinate x of that point, the location on the x-axis, up or down, horizontally or vertical, whatever that point is. Okay, it's like where you stand like in a store. Okay, what is your coordinate from the store on the store's plane, on the store plane is this how much from the door, or this how much from the inside the last point on the of the store, right? That is your coordinate. So where you are on the cash register, for example, and this how far from point A, or the origin, which is the let's say the origin is the door of the store. Okay, and your how far is from the other side of the store. Okay, that's what we mean by coordinates. Your location of where you are on that plane. Okay, we're going to explain that a little bit further. Okay, but at this point, in your high school, I'm hoping you understand that already. Okay, so this is the this is the coordinate x of m, and this is coordinate y of m. Okay, okay, and so the coordinates are 1 and negative 2. It's how far is from the origin, 0, on the plane. I'll show you in a minute. I made a nice graph. Okay, so what we do here is just plug in. Okay, x of 1 plus x of 2 over 2, okay, equal 1, right? Equal 1. Why I'm saying that? Because look at this. 1 comma negative 2, okay, is the coordinate of the midpoint. 1 plus, comma negative 2, which means this one here. So 1 is this one. This is the x coordinate of m, which is equal 1. This is coordinate x of m. And this is coordinate y of m, which is equal negative 2. That's all what we're saying. Okay, again, x1 plus x of 2 over 2 is what? is the coordinate of, if the x coordinate is the x coordinate of m, and this is the y coordinate of m, which is -2. Okay, now, so we solve, just we have to solve, okay? So 2 plus x of b, why 2? Because we have 2 plus x of b, okay, is the coordinate x of a is 2, right? Plus the x coordinate of b, which we don't know yet. We're going to solve it in a minute, over 2 equal 1. So this whole thing now is equal 1. Again, why? Because we said the coordinate x of 1 plus x of 2 over 2. Okay, so this x1 is equal to, okay, x of 1 equal to x2. We don't know it is what it is yet. We're gonna find out. Okay, and y of 1, which is what? Equals 3. All right, so when we say x1 is the x coordinate of point, the first point we have, and the y1 is the coordinate, the y coordinate of the point we have. Okay, now I hope you follow me. Now, if we have, so we have 2 plus x of b over 2 equal 1. Okay, equal 1. So this one is the x coordinate of m, which is equal what? Equal 1, right? And 3 plus y of b over 2 equal -2, which is equal this one, right? You follow me? Okay. So what we have left is solve for these equations. We solve for them. But it's extremely important to understand where everything goes, okay? We just have to put them in where they go, where they can be plugged in the right place with the right value, okay? All right, so what we have left is 2 plus x of b over 2 equal 1, and 3 plus y of b over 2 equal -2, okay? And you know why, I just explained to you. And then we have to solve how much is x of b and how much is y of b. And this is very easy, okay? Now, what is x of b and y of b? It is the x coordinate of b, point b, and the y coordinate of b, okay? Now, what we have left is to solve in the equation. Now, 2 plus x of b over 2 equal 1, right? Okay. And remember, every number has a denominator 1. Any whole number, like 100,000, what is the denominator? Is 1. Any number, whole number, the denominator of it is 1, right? Denominator, okay? Okay, so what we do is multiply, cross multiply 2 plus x of b over 2 and cross multiply with, we cross multiply with 1, okay? And then we have, so what we have left here is 2 plus x of b times 1 equal 2, 2 plus x of b times 1 equal 2, because we cross multiply it, right? Okay, 2, well, let me do this. 2 plus x of b, 2 plus x of b, okay, times 1, which times this one here, equal this 2 here times this one here. Just cross multiply, right? Cross multiply. So what we have left here is 2 plus x of b equal to 2 plus x of b equal to. So if we take the equation one more step, so x of b is 0. Okay, because why? Because we take this 2 to the right side of the equation and we will have negative 2. So 2 minus 2 is 0. So x of b equals 0. Okay, so this is the x coordinate of point B. Now, we do the same thing with coordinate y of b. 3 plus y of b over 2. Again, we cross multiply. 3 plus x of b plus y of b over 2 equal negative 2 over 1. Okay. Where does this one come from? Remember, we have denominator, any whole number, we have a negative, I'm sorry, a denominator 1. Okay. So what we have left here is 3 plus y of b. Y of b is the y coordinate of b equal negative 4. 3 plus y of b equal negative 4. Okay, and we go further one more step. We will have y of b equal negative 7. Why negative 7? Well, take this 3 to the other side of the equation, so it becomes negative 3, right? Or, like you can do it in the other way, but this is the easier for me, for all of us. We have, if we take a number from the left of the equation to the other um, side of the equal sign, it changes the sign. If we take one number from the right side of the equation to the left side, we change the sign, right? So the positive becomes negative and the negative becomes positive if we take it from one side of the equal sign to the other side. Okay, so this of 3 here becomes negative 3. So negative 4 and negative 3 equal negative 7. Okay, negative 7. So this we're done. So the coordinates for B is x, y, right? X, y. Okay, well, let me sort it. X here and y here. X of y, okay, turned out to be what? After we solved it, is 0, negative 7. And we're done. And we are done. So it's really, really important, the whole question, how to plug and what to plug in the formula for the midpoint, okay? And know where the coordinates are, what the coordinates are, okay? So the coordinates are x and y of the point, okay? That's are the coordinates. So what does that mean? Okay, this is this is the graph I told you about. It's the nice graph here. Okay, so this is the midpoint here. 1, negative 2. This is the midpoint here. This is segment. Okay, this is the segment here. This whole thing is the segment. This is where point A is. This is where point M is. This is where point B is. Okay, so what does that mean? This point A, 2, 3. What does that mean? It just mean, you go into the x-axis, this one here, 1 unit, 2 units. So, and then you draw a line here from here to point 3 on the y-axis. So the point A is 2, 3. You just go to, that's where the location of that point is. It's on the second location on x-axis crossed with the location 3 on the y-axis. That's what we mean by x and y coordinates. And this is the coordinates for m, 1, comma, negative 2, and this coordinate for b, 0, comma, negative 7. What does that mean, 0 mean? It means it's on the exact line, exact coordinate, exact y-axis. I'm sorry. No. Wait a minute. It should be, no. It should be here. I'm sorry. Okay. 0, negative 7. Yeah. 0, negative 7. Okay. So, yeah, that's right. So 0, negative 7. So it's on the 0 is the x-axis. I mean, x-axis is this here. This is all here. This is where they cross 0 over here, right? And then negative 7 is negative 7 on the y-axis. Why negative 7? Because it's on the y-axis on the bottom of the y-axis, on the negative side of y-axis. Okay, and that's where the location is. B and M, and that is the midpoint here, and that's where the B is. Okay, so thank you very much. Do that a couple of times, please. You're gonna get hang of it. Actually, get get exercises, get exercise. Uh, Change the numbers on the exercise, change the M point, the B point numbers, and solve for them. Actually, please, do the exercise yourself with a pencil and a paper, so you can get the hang of it. And you will practice uh, very good, and I know you're smart, and you will get a good score on set. Thank you so much. I will see you next video. Thank you very much. Please tell your friends about us. Okay. Have a great night.